Kuki Inpi Jiribam Tamenglong Secretary Seijathang Khongsai ki yong ngasi nongalam daida mai tharamle Manipur thokliba lana sida chahi ama hena chaitheng phangdana santi laina lerakhiba Jiribam district ta June thada Kuki militant singna miyoi ama tamthin hatkibagi thodok tagi yum mai thaba nongmai kapagi thodok thoktuna anoba lanbung ama oirakibani ngasi nongalam dai pung ani makhai aduwaida Faitol Khunda Laiba Kuki Inpi Jiribam Tamenglong Secretary Seijathang Khongsai gi yum masa khangdaba miyoi singna mai thadoklam le hairi masigi matangda Secretary Seijathang Khongsai na thadorokpa pawgi video amagi matungina mahaki yum mai tharambagi thodo asi ngaranga tharaga anirak sure hairi yum adu da laiba gari yauna polam kaya mai na chakre asum na ikhoi masel nungsinadana kayam koina leigani Manipur gi miyam maruina Jiribam gi miyamna ikhoi punna nungsinana leiminabana pharoidra haina su phongdorokli Hoji Pau ki oina mahaki yum masi kanana karigi damak tharamano haiba khangbangam drabaso Kuki Inpi gi thabak thoram singda pena daba leibadagi makoi masel gi marakta thorokpa oirambasu yai haina thajanari amaromda mafam kayadagi miyoi kaya lanjenaduna relief camp singda lainari ngai marak asida ngarang Faitol Khuldagi Kuki militant singna nongmai amadi bom kaya kapthaduna landarakraba matung ngasi nongalamdai dasu nongmai round kaya kapagi makhon tanaki hairi
for the second time has been attempted to be burned. It is by 2:35 a.m. this morning it is burned again. My scooty, my vehicle already burned down. I suffer a lot. Today also I would like to request to all the people of Manipur, especially Jiribam and Tamenglong district, let peace be prevail. Why don't we fight for no cause? Let's love one another. Why enmity? For how much long we'll stay here on this earth? We have to love one another. We have to be together. That much I would like to say.